Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at a 2020 to 2023 Nissan Sentra. I'm going to show you how to replace your low beam light bulbs on this vehicle. You can see it right here. The headlights that are on are the low beam headlights. They are the furthest, most out headlight bulbs that you'll find on your headlight assembly on the backside, obviously. Your headlight bulbs are H11 headlight bulbs. This would be a great time to upgrade to the LED if you're thinking about doing so, but let's go ahead and get started on replacing your low beam light bulbs on your Nissan Sentra. Getting to headlight. Gonna remove this windshield washer fluid neck. Using that Phillips head screwdriver, that's what it's gonna take to remove this screw holding in the washer fluid reservoir neck. Get that out, set it off to the side. You just don't want to lose it. Don't step on it, don't break it, all that. So just take it out, pull directly up when you get the screw completely out, and the whole neck on that upper part of the reservoir should come right out without any problems. When you reinstall, if you have a problem getting the rubber O-ring to get in there easily, lube that O-ring up a little bit with maybe some Vaseline or something, and then jam it in there and you should be just fine. Pretty much, you have access to your low beam light bulb already. Now to make this video, it took me a little shimmying to get the camera and my hand to fit in there, but this should take you about 15 minutes to do both sides after you watch this video and you have the headlights just laying around. The passenger side is also the harder side to get done, so that's why I'm making the video on it. You'll see a little bit later on in the video, I put my hand inside the driver's side so you can see that you have access to it. But there you go, there is your low beam light bulb and the socket with the pigtail going right onto it. It's super easy to get these off. I'm going to slide my hand in there. That little tab right there, you need to pull outwards or towards the back of the vehicle and then push down on that whole pigtail and everything will come apart fairly easy. Hopefully it does. I always recommend to take the pigtail off first and then turn the light bulb and get it out. You can see, well, you can't see, but behind my hand, I'm pulling out on that little pin and pushing down and bam, the pigtail came right off of the headlight. So we're already halfway done with this side, pretty much. I won't say a quarter because we haven't got the light bulb out, but it's gonna be real easy to do so. Now grab that light bulb, turn it in a counterclockwise direction, and the light bulb should come right out. Very much with ease, like just here in this video. Now take a look at the light bulb, inspect it, make sure it is bad. If you do end up having a good light bulb and the lights are still not working, you might have a wiring harness issue, or right there where the pigtail plugs in the light bulb, you might not have continuity. So let's hope that the light bulb is bad. If you do upgrade to LED light bulbs, make sure you get the H11 bulb, but I would recommend to not get anything higher or brighter than a 4700K. So 4300K or 4700K light is optimum in my opinion. If you go higher, you start gaining color but losing actual brightness and light coming out of the headlight. So I will provide links in the description below to purchase all those. To install the headlight, get the headlight inside the headlight assembly, get the ears lined up, and then turn the light bulb in a clockwise direction. When it locks into place, you should feel or hear a little click or clip, and that will let you know that it is all set and ready to go so you can plug the pigtail into it. When you plug the pigtail onto the light bulb, you'll feel a little click as well. Just jam it on there nice and tight. Don't push too hard to break the light bulb that you just installed, but you should feel a little click. After you click the pigtail on, pull on it a little bit, tug on it just a tad bit, not too much to pull the wires out, but make sure you have a good connection so it doesn't rattle apart while you're driving down the road. And that's pretty much it. If we look over here on the driver's side, it's just as easy. Like I said, on the passenger side, the driver's side is just as easy. The passenger side is the harder one because you have the washer fluid reservoir neck in the way. Moving on over to the driver's side, you could see you could fit your hand between the airbox, the battery, and the upper radiator support and slide right in there and have access to both of your low beam and your high beams on the driver's side as well. Both sides are super easy. You can see right there, slide my hand in there and I can get access to them both real easy. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video. If this video did help you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, model of the vehicle it did help you on, and like, subscribe, and share. Take a look for links in the description below and tell everybody about me. Thanks for watching.